Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a try-on haul. It's been like forever since I've done one. I've seen so many requests coming in like, Sue, please do a try-on haul, please do a lookbook. Okay, so let me just clear this up with my lookbook. So you guys know that I usually work alongside like a videographer to do my lookbooks, and I hold my lookbooks so close to my heart. I love creating those videos so much. It's a joy for me. The quality, oh my gosh, everything. Like, I love those videos. But I mean, the only reason why I'm not doing lookbooks, I haven't done any recently, is because sometimes what I was having trouble with was like not getting what I filmed on time. So I have deadlines that I set for myself, and sometimes I can't get the videos anywhere near that. So it is just a struggle for me, and I'm at the point now where I'm like, okay, you know what, I feel like I'm going to probably have to do this myself. Like, it's kind of technical to do it all on my own when it comes down to those type of videos, because it's that type of video where you need somebody to be holding the camera, walking with it, you know, moving back and forth, side to side, all around. And you know, it's not like a one-man show kind of thing, but I'm gonna try. Usually, well, for the type of vibe that I want, at least, yes, it's possible for me to do it all on my own, but it's gonna be more confined, more in like a confined space. I'm not gonna be able to walk up and down and explore and make it look fun and adventurous, and that's what I love, you know. I can do it in my setup here, but we're gonna see, because honestly, for 2019, the ideas I had for lookbooks was just through the roof, but a lot of them didn't happen. So I guess I'll save those ideas and maximize on them for 2020, because I'm not gonna stop with my lookbooks. It's gonna happen. It's just that I had to take a long break. But today I'm just gonna be doing a simple try-on haul for you guys. Now this is going to be like an active wear. Well, it's not going to be like, it is an active wear haul, and it's going to be more of a mini haul. And the pieces that I'm going to be showing you guys today is from Infinity Collection JA. I've been wearing a lot of their pieces. I even have a fitness belt from them. Like, their pieces are really good, really doable, very stylish. If you guys don't follow me on my vlog channel, please do so, or better yet, follow me on my Instagram page, because I do, like, every time I go to the gym, not all the time, but most days, I'll snap what I do here and there so you can keep up with me. But I love, on days when I just feel super good, I love to just have a nice gym fit. And Infinity Collection JA, they have fitness belts, gloves, all things fitness. So, and it's a Jamaican based brand. It's an online brand, by the way. So I'm gonna put all the information where you can get in contact with them, and you can order from them. Currently, they have an Instagram page. You can go ahead and follow them at Infinity Collection JA on Instagram. But let's go ahead and jump into the pieces that I have today. The first piece I want to show you guys is this tights and this tank top. I believe it's Spider-Man inspired. So I know it's a little bit tomboyish, and I don't mind that. I don't mind that, because listen, number one thing, when people see me at the gym, they're like, she's so tiny. And then I go ahead and I lift the weights, and they're like, I don't mind the tomboyish vibes. I mean, that's the vibes I bring to the gym. I love feeling the pump, the burn, and my goal is to build and be defined and snatched. But yeah, this is the first piece. So along with that, I plan on pairing this with that leggings with this tank top. So it's that deep cut in the side here. It's that deep cut, and I don't mind that, because some days you really just feel like you want to throw on a tank top, but you don't want to cover all the way up. And I feel like this can allow you to show your back, your arms, you know, all the definition. It says let's go. Let's move on to the next fit. So that's it for that one. So the next fit I want to show you guys is this one, and I absolutely love the color. This one, as you can see, it's gonna cinch me. You see how tiny this is? Like, it's gonna cinch my waist. I love the material. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. The material feels so good. I love the little print. It's not too much, but it's like right in between. It's really nice. It's really nice. Yes, this is one of those fits where you just want to go hard. You know, the top has a little circle here in the front, and it's just really nice and stretchy, and it's those type of material that stretches but still keeps you locked in, if you understand what I mean. So I really like this one. So it's actually two, so I actually only have two full gym outfits, and then the next two pieces are just leggings. So this is a mini activewear haul. And it's the first time I'm ever, no, I believe this is probably the second or third. The others that I've ever done, now that I think about it, it's been like years ago. But yeah, so I've been dying. I think the lighting is washing this out a bit, but I've been dying to get my hands on one of these leggings. The little it's textured and it's like puffy. It's not really puffy, but it's textured, and I really love this. The color is giving me summer, springtime. But hey, this is Jamaica and it's fine. It's really not a big deal to me. It's really not. And for the final piece that I have today, it's this leggings here. It has a light like camel print and it's gray. So this is the next one that really cinches well, and the material feels so good. Very stretchy, very, strong. It feels durable and I like that. But guys, that's all I have for today's haul. I really hope that even though this is a pretty mini haul, that you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. I will be doing more hauls very soon. I have a bunch of stuff coming in, but I'm here in Jamaica. Custom system is a drag and the packages take forever. So many stuff, like almost everything is being delayed. So I'm waiting on my packages, but that's all I have for today. If you haven't checked out this look, by the way, go ahead and do so. The link will be down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share this video. The giveaway is still going on. I'm still shortlisting. But yeah guys, that's it for now, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, go on, big up on yourself.